got my friend here, Renan, and his friend. They are fixing the lights. The other guy had to go up in the ceiling because he has to add more wire. Whoever put the wiring in this place shorted the wire. So he had to go up there and extend the wire.
Oh. Pero sana nang ano plywood no? Oh. Dikit na gamay raw.
Over here they did a great job. As you can see, the conversion is complete and it wasn't very expensive at all. They put a complete different lighting system in there. Now all I have to do is reach up in there and unscrew the bulb and replace the bulb, and it's much cheaper. Renan, how much that bulb cost? How much the cost for one bulb?
One bulb?
Yeah, roughly. Just rough.
80 pesos.
80 pesos. Wow, 80 pesos. This one, maybe 300?
350.
350? So this one here, this LED light, 350 pesos. And as you can see, they converted it to a bulb type.
And this one is 160.
And that was 160
pesos.
Okay, the mechanism there, the bracket was 160. So that was a cheap conversion. And then now in the future, all I have to do is replace those bulbs. Just unscrew them, and I don't have to fight with. These are spring loaded, and when you try to get these out of the ceiling, sometimes it can be a pain in the butt. And so yeah, that was a good deal. I'm really happy with that. Now you're probably wondering about the lighting that it throws off. There is actually no difference in the lighting in which it casts as opposed to the old LED. So I didn't lose anything in way of lighting. Maybe these are a little bit more energy efficient, but you know what? But you know what? Not near enough to, you know, to even complain about. So I'm really happy with that. And of course, while we're at it, I took down the vent cover from the exhaust fan and gave that a clean, gave it a good cleaning. And then over here, they will take that plate cover down, that glass cover, and I'll wash that up, get it cleaned, and they'll put it back up there. So it's coming along really nice. Like I said, the house is just in complete disarray right now because we rearranged everything for the birthday party, and a couple of her girlfriends will be coming over tonight to continue her birthday celebration. It's one thing about Filipinos, they sure love celebrating their birthday. Now, I know some that have celebrated their birthday for darn near the entire month, their birth month. Hi! Our neighbor. Excellent, awesome guy. Just absolutely love those guys. Wonderful people. Yeah, they live right over there. They have the Sari Sari store. Got that old Jeep. Check out the Rileys was checking that thing out. Yeah, I believe it was Riley that was eyeballing that Jeep. It's got that extended cab on it. Pretty cool. Really like that thing. How you doing, hon? Good.
I'm my online. Wait, babe, look.
This big.
Wait.
What, honey?
I asked Grace how much.
Oh, the cost? Oh, okay, very good. 7.
1.
Okay. Okay, very good. Tell her thank you.
Where are the girls?
They got the kitchen side done.
Where are the girls?
The girls,
The kids.
they were inside. Everybody working so hard and distracted, except for me, wondering where the girls were. Chad's doing her online business. I'm going to ask my neighbor about PLDT. Our PLDT internet has been out for 3 days. And I've sent them messages, and in typical fashion, no reply. They'll get here when they get here. Now, Chad did buy a secondary backup, a Globe router. That's about as worthless as a 2-peckered billy goat. That thing doesn't work at all. Other neighbors are having problems too, and
It's incorrect.
with PLDT. Internet is out, and it seems to be just confined to our area here in Park Villas. You know, it's just an area of the subdivision in which we live in. They break it down in phase 1, phase 2, and rather than calling this phase 3, they call it Park Villas. So why they didn't call it just continue with phase 3, I have no idea. Hey, I just live here. So anyway, so yeah, it'll probably take a month of Sundays to try to get PLDT out here to fix it. So we'll see what happens. Thank you, PLDT. But you sure love me paying my bill on time, don't you? So we go in here. You got the LED light. All 4 LEDs are working. So now all they'll do then is just pull off that cover and replace the lights on the inside.
There are more ends. Oh.
Oh yeah. Renee, can you do me a favor while you're up there? Wait, can you pull the tape off the wood all around? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Got the exhaust fan back up. Lights are rocking it. These 4 lights are replaced. Got the glass cover cleaned. Tape off the woodwork. All that's left is to pay the men and clean up.
Kailangan foam lang.
Ilaw.
Foam ka lang na. Ginawan ka. Suto.
Yeah. Put a little sponge action on it. Clean up that one area. Looking good. Very nice. Outstanding.
Okay.
All right. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Renan.
Thank you, sir.
Really appreciate you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, welcome.
Thank you, thank you. All right. That is a project that we've been wanting to get done for a while. And now that it's done, it looks much better and more efficient in being able to replace the bulb. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.